2012 Mercedes-Benz M-Class ML350. The sport aluminum alloy wheels, side step running boards, rear bumper protector, tinted windows, 4MATIC four-wheel drive, rear cargo cover, power tailgate. Very well kept black leather seating. Mercedes OE carpeted floor mats. Wood grain trim throughout. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Memory driver's seat. Heated front seats. Heated steering wheel. Free 90-day trial of SiriusXM satellite radio. Navigation. Backup camera. Hands-free Bluetooth. Steering wheel controls. Automatic headlights. Just over 148,000 miles. And we've got a sunroof as well. Come by and see us. AU Cars.